Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Pluralsight beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Pluralsight, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.pluralsight.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed to the registration page. You will see several options for signing up, including using an email address and password. If you choose to sign up with an email, enter a valid email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the following field. After filling out your information, review the terms of service. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Now, click the Start My Free Trial button to proceed. You may be prompted to select a subscription plan after the trial period. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Enter any required payment information, if applicable. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete your registration process. Once registered, check your email for a verification link from Pluralsight. Click the verification link to activate your account. After verifying your account, return to the Pluralsight website. Log in with your registered email and password. You are now ready to explore the world of Pluralsight. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.